In today's integrated conveyor systems, whether it's in the manufacturing environment or in the e-commerce warehouse, there is frequently a need to transfer goods from one conveyor to another. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. Traditionally, these transfer units have involved pneumatic or mechanical pushers or lifters, but with today's demands for greater throughput, better energy efficiency and a quieter working environment, these old-style transfers can be found wanting. Adept has long been a proponent of low-energy conveyor drives with energy-saving features such as run on demand and the use of safe 24-volt green technology. And now the company has applied this technology to a range of compact transfer units that are easily integrated into any conveyor system wherever they are needed. Now, these low-energy 24-volt transfers sit idle in sleep mode until a signal is provided to activate the units. With onboard smart controllers, the cassette-style transfers can be simply linked into the conveyor control system. You should get more details at adeptconveyor.com.au. And thanks for watching.